Good morning and happy Memorial Day, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm that doll guy. And surprisingly, I was expecting this tomorrow, but it must have come yesterday. And I wasn't, that's my babies again. But anyway, so, there she goes. There she goes. Yes, it's my Maisie. She's curious as to see what's in the box. So what's in the box? So this is my order from the Cedrick's of Hollywood department store from the Fabiola of Hollywood website. It's a little department store where we can order additional accessories and things like that. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we have today. So it's a small little box, but it's going to hold a lot of cool stuff. So everything's wrapped in the pink paper, just like the doll was wrapped in her pink paper. The box was. Okay, so then I did order more extra of these eyebrows. Oh, we have another. Oh, that's so pretty. Another note for Mike. Thanks again. I really appreciate it. Oh, this looks like a necklace. I think it's a choker. Oh, it looks so pretty. Thank you, Mike. I did order more of these because I figure you can never have too many eyebrows. So cute. So cute. I can't handle it. You can't have too many eyebrows for your Fabiola in case something happens to them. Oh, look at these. Daddy loves you. You're so cute. Look at these cute Cedrick's of Hollywood shopping bags. And inside each one is probably like stuff I ordered. Let's take a look. Oh, I've been wanting this, the Witchy Kitty clutch. This thing I thought was almost gone. I know there's another one out there, but oh, I'm so happy to get this. It is so cute. Look at these bags, you guys. Look how cute it is for her to go shopping. And then we have, oh, the open-toed shoes. And again, I believe these are made on 3D printer and dyed. But I was wanting some. You're so cute, Maisie Lynn. So cute. Anyway, so I was wanting these, just mix up her shoe options. So that is cute. I really, what's this? Oh, the white pair. So I did order a pair of red and white, just because her feet are they're just individual. They're shaped. Those are not for you, baby. They're not for you, baby doll. You have a rosy hair on your head. Then we have, oh, okay, so it's a cobalt dress. It comes with shoes. It's got fringe on the bottom. I liked it because it was sparkly. I can't remember the name of it, but look at the packaging. This is so nice. The petite department store for all of your glamour gotta-gets. That is cute. Whoever thought of that, Mike, if you thought of that, that's cute. Cute AF. This dress is going to look so nice on the figure of that Fabiola. And anyway, so that is it. That's all I ordered, but I appreciate it. And we're going to probably do like a little, I don't want to lose my little bag for the bag. Anyway, so we're going to probably do like we're just going to try the stuff on our Fabiola, maybe do some shots for Instagram or for Facebook. But I just want to kind of quick show you oops, the extra stuff you can get. So check out the website, fabiolaofhollywood.com. Look for the Shop at Cedrick's tab on the menu. Drop down and you'll be able to see all these cute items. Get the stuff while you have the chance. Some of it's only one of a kind, like these dresses. So definitely check it out and enjoy your day.